Today, I'm diving into the Google Pixel 9 series, and I can't wait to share my thoughts on this exciting new release. Let's get right into the unboxing. As I peel back the packaging, the first thing that strikes me is the sleek design. The Pixel 9 has this premium feel, with its matte finish and refined edges. It's definitely a step up from the previous models. Now, let's take a look at what's included in the box. Alongside the phone, we have the usual suspects: a charging cable, a quick start guide, and of course, the SIM ejector tool. Google has also included a pair of earbuds this time, which is a nice touch. It's great to see them stepping up their accessory game. Moving on to the phone itself. The display is absolutely stunning. We're looking at a 6.4-inch OLED screen with vibrant colors and deep blacks. It's perfect for streaming videos or scrolling through photos. The refresh rate is smooth, making everything feel responsive. I can already tell this is going to be a joy to use. Now, let's talk about the camera, which is one of the standout features of the Pixel series. The Pixel 9 boasts an upgraded camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. I'm really excited to test out the low-light capabilities, especially with Google's night sight feature. The photos I've seen so far are impressive, capturing incredible detail and color accuracy. I can't wait to take some shots and see how they compare to other flagship phones. Battery life is another crucial aspect, and Google claims the Pixel 9 can easily last a full day with its 4,500 mAh battery. Plus, with fast charging and wireless charging options, it seems like they've thought of everything to keep us powered up throughout the day. One feature that I find particularly interesting is the new AI enhancements. Google has really pushed the envelope with their software, and I'm eager to see how the Pixel 9 utilizes machine learning to improve user experience. From smarter notifications to improved voice recognition, it feels like this phone is designed to adapt to our needs. As I wrap up this unboxing, I can't help but feel excited about the potential of the Pixel 9 series. It's clear that Google is committed to delivering a top-notch smartphone experience. If you're as intrigued as I am, make sure to subscribe to Tech Fantasy Hub for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. There's so much more to explore with this device, and I can't wait to share my journey with you.